Hi, and welcome to our review of Dora, the incredible website builder that turns your words into stunning 3D animated websites. Can you imagine typing a few sentences and watching as artificial intelligence creates an entire website, complete with eye-catching animations and professional layouts? That's exactly what Dora does. What makes Dora different from other website builders? First, it's completely code-free. You don't need any technical knowledge to create beautiful, responsive websites. But here's where it gets really interesting. Dora uses AI to understand your vision and generate unique designs, images, and content based on simple text prompts. Think of it as having a professional web designer who can read your mind. But wait, how does the 3D animation part work? This is where Dora really shines. The platform includes tools that let you add dynamic 3D elements to your site without any special skills. You can import your own 3D models or use Dora's built-in effects to create movement and depth that will catch your visitors' attention. Speaking of attention-grabbing features, have you ever wondered what makes a website stand out? Dora answers this with its AI-powered layout design. It automatically arranges your content in ways that look professional and work great on any device. Plus, everything stays true to your brand style while adding fresh, creative elements that make your site unique. What are people saying about Dora? While it's still in open beta, users are excited about how quickly they can create professional-looking websites. The platform is especially popular with designers, freelancers, and business owners who want to create impressive online presence without spending weeks learning complicated tools. Here's something cool. This AI review is actually testing out Dora's capabilities right now. The platform offers different plans to fit various needs, starting with a free tier that includes essential features like SSL and instant publishing. For those needing more, paid plans start at $14 monthly and include additional features like custom domains. Ready to try it yourself? Whether you're building a portfolio, launching a business website, or creating a landing page for your next big idea, Dora makes the process simple and enjoyable. You can start with a template or begin from scratch. Either way, you'll have access to powerful tools that make your vision come to life. To learn more about Dora and see examples of what it can do, visit jimcarter.me and search for Dora. You'll find this AI review along with detailed information about features, pricing, and how to get started with this amazing website creation tool.